Hi guys, today I will tell you about Google Lens. You can download it from the Play Store. For example, my sister sent me a picture of shoes and said, "Can we find it?" I click on the picture and click on the three dots in the upper right corner and I said share. I found the lens, scanned the shoes and found the same on the internet. Where, how much, the brand, model, found them all in great details. Translation. A program that helps us translate a text you see in Chinese, French, Russian into our language instantly. We can even translate a Chinese text into Russian and send it to our Russian friend. There is also text copy. You can copy the whole text as text, not picture, and share with your friends. With Google Lens, you can quickly find out the flowers, animals, their species and where they live. You can find an unfamiliar car part immediately, get a price and order it. You can find the directions or phone number of where the market is located from the market advertisement on the back. You can hold the lens to the company card, make a call, add it to your phone book or email it. You went to a restaurant or foreign country on holiday. You can take the menu of the dishes you don't know and decide which one to eat by looking at the content and visual of the meal. Bon appétit! You can read or share barcodes. Homework is also a part that can be very useful for students. By holding the lens to a mathematics, physics, chemistry question, you can reach the solution and the detailed result respectively. Shopping is my favorite part. When I see something I want to buy, just hold the lens on it. Where can I find cheaply, quality, models, color and everything? You can find detailed information about clothing, electronics, toys, even the prospectus of any drugs. When you open the lens and hold the camera to a workplace or any company card around, you can see what the company does, what it is selling, the good and bad comment about this company, the phone, location, and how you can go. You can see a 360 degrees view of the company if available. An unfamiliar meal came to you, and you liked the taste very much. When you hold the lens application on it, you can find the name, the recipes, which country's traditional food, like the famous Italian dish tortellini.